Hello everyone! Today I'm going to share a gentle and engaging tech activity for babies and toddlers under 2. It's called Sound Around Me and it uses simple surroundings sounds recordings to help very young children connect with their environment and begin building early communication skills. You will only need a few simple safe items, a sound recorder or a phone with voice memo app, matching props or picture cards like a toy cat, bell or a car. Starts by recording familiar sounds from the child's environment. It could be siblings laughing, a bird chirping, your voice saying hello, or a toy's jingle, or even cat meowing. Sit comfortably with the child and play the recordings one at a time. Watch their reaction. They might smile, turn their head, or start babbling. Hold up the matching object or a picture and say, sound aloud, meow, that's a cat. You can repeat and reinforce the sound, letting the child explore and respond in their own way. Sounds around me helps babies build connection between what they hear and what they see. It supports early language development, sensory awareness, social interaction, and it also encourages limitation and facial expression, the building blocks of communication. Best of all, it turns everyday sounds into learning moments. And that was it. Sounds Around Me. A soft and simple way to use technology meaningfully with our youngest learners. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy exploring sound and connection with your little ones. And see you again with more playful ideas for learning. Bye bye.